In today's chess video, I am going to show you the Mortimer chess trap. White plays pawn to e4 and black replies with the move pawn to e5. Knight to f3, knight to c6 and bishop to b5. This is known as the so-called Ruy Lopez, and here the most powerful moves are pawn to a6, d6, but the second most common move is what we are going to play. The move is knight to f6. And after knight to f6, two moves that are very popular nowadays are castles and d3. I'm going to cover d3 now. After d3, bishop to c5 enters into a standard form of classical chess. But when you are playing blitz or bullet games, I suggest you to play this move knight to e7. And I was playing a blitz game against a grandmaster and he immediately took the pawn on e5. So knight captures e5, and now what are we going to play? Well, can you see the winning idea? Yes, you are absolutely correct. The answer is pawn to c6. And now if you play the move bishop to a4, then queen a5 check, you're attacking this a4 bishop, so knight to c3, and now you lose the e5 knight with queen captures c5. If you play bishop to c4, even here after queen a5 check, knight c3, you lose the knight. But white is not one to give up the game so easily. He will try to create a trap for you here. He will play the move knight to c4. And now, if you are greedy and if you capture the bishop on b5, then knight to d6 is an amazing smothered checkmate. So even here, even when you're going to get a piece, you must be careful. So I recommend you to play the move knight to g6. Now knight to d6 is met with bishop captures d6. And now it seems that white has squirmed out of trouble and he will just play the move, sorry about that, and he will just play the move bishop to a4. But no, we will win a piece with b5, and it suddenly seems that this b5 pawn is forking this a4 bishop and the c4 knight. So after bishop to b3, b captures c4, bishop captures c4, bishop to e7, knight to c3, then black can simply castle and black is a piece up, and not only that, his piece development is more than white's. So I hope you liked this video. If you have, please comment, share and subscribe. I will visit you with more videos on opening chess traps and mathematics too. So please stay tuned to that as well. Until then, goodbye friends.